Question 1. Disability policy structure. A disability insurance policy includes a clause defining a disability as unable to perform the duties of any occupation for which the insured is reasonably qualified by education, training, or experience. This definition aligns with which of the following types of coverage? A. Own occupation coverage. B. Any occupation coverage. C. Partial disability coverage. D. Residual disability coverage. Answer: B. Any occupation coverage. Explanation: any occupation coverage requires that the insured be unable to work in any job for which they are reasonably qualified, making it more restrictive than own occupation. Option A. Incorrect. Own occupation coverage provides benefits if the insured cannot perform their specific job regardless of their ability to work elsewhere. Option B. Correct. This aligns with the stricter any occupation definition. Option C. Incorrect. Partial disability coverage applies when the insured can work but with reduced capacity. Option D. Incorrect. Residual disability coverage applies to loss of income due to a partial disability. A relevant rule: New Mexico insurers must clearly define disability in the policy as required by state regulations to avoid ambiguity. Question 2. Eligibility and underwriting. Which of the following factors is most likely to result in a higher premium for a disability insurance policy in New Mexico? A. A younger age at the time of application. B. A high-risk occupation such as construction work. C. A history of stable employment in an office environment. D. The absence of pre-existing medical conditions. Answer: B. A high-risk occupation such as construction work. Explanation: occupational risk is a key factor in underwriting. High-risk occupations increase the likelihood of claims and therefore lead to higher premiums. Option A. Incorrect. Younger applicants generally receive low premiums due to low risk. Option B. Correct. High-risk occupations significantly influence premium rates due to the increased probability of disability. Option C. Incorrect. Stable low-risk employment typically results in low premiums. Option D. Incorrect. The absence of pre-existing conditions generally reduces premiums. Relevant rule: risk classification under New Mexico's underwriting guidelines includes occupational hazards as a major determinant of premiums. Question 3. Scenario-based question. Claims process. James, a software engineer in New Mexico, has a long-term disability insurance policy. After being diagnosed with a debilitating medical condition, he files a claim but continues receiving partial income from freelance work. Which of the following policy provisions would allow James to receive benefits while still earning part-time income? A. Residual disability benefits. B. Elimination period benefits. C. Total disability benefits. D. Waiver of premium rider. Answer A. Residual disability benefits. Explanation: residual disability benefits provide income replacement when an insured person experiences a partial loss of income due to a disability. Option A. Correct. This provision aligns with James's situation, allowing partial benefits while working part-time. Option B. Incorrect. The elimination period refers to the waiting period before benefits begin, not the provision of partial benefits. Option C. Incorrect. Total disability benefits require complete inability to work. Option D. Incorrect. The waiver of premium rider eliminates premium payments during disability but does not address partial income replacement. Relevant rule: policies in New Mexico often include residual benefit options to accommodate partial disabilities as per state standards. Question 4. Benefits and provisions. Which of the following riders would most likely protect the purchasing power of disability benefits in New Mexico during periods of high inflation? A. Waiver of premium rider. B. Cost of living adjustment COLA rider. C. Future purchase option rider. D. Return of premium rider. Answer: B. Cost of living adjustment COLA rider. Explanation: the COLA rider adjusts disability benefits to keep pace with inflation, ensuring that the insured maintains their purchasing power. Option A. Incorrect. The waiver of premium rider eliminates premium payments during disability but does not address inflation. Option B. Correct. COLA directly counters inflationary effects on benefits. Option C. Incorrect. The future purchase option allows for increased coverage later but does not adjust existing benefits. Option D. Incorrect. Return of premium provides a refund of premiums under specific conditions but does not address inflation. Relevant rule: New Mexico regulations encourage transparency in rider options, including COLA, to meet consumer needs. Question 5. Integration with other benefits. How does disability insurance typically interact with Social Security disability income (SSDI) benefits? A. SSDI benefits are always deducted from private disability insurance benefits. B. Private disability benefits are reduced if SSDI benefits exceed a certain threshold. C. Both benefits can be received independently without adjustments. D. Private disability policies often integrate SSDI benefits to prevent overcompensation. Answer D. Private disability policies often integrate SSDI benefits to prevent overcompensation. Explanation. Private disability policies usually include provisions to offset SSDI benefits to avoid overcompensation, aligning total benefits with the insured's income level. Option A. Incorrect. The offset depends on policy terms, not a blanket rule. Option B. Incorrect. The reduction is based on policy terms, not necessarily exceeding the threshold. Option C. Incorrect. Integration ensures fair compensation, so independent benefits are rare. Option D. Correct. Integration prevents overpayment and aligns with common policy practices. Relevant rule. New Mexico regulations mandate clear communication of benefit coordination in disability policies. Question 6. Regulatory environment in New Mexico. Which of the following best describes the role of the New Mexico Insurance Department concerning disability insurance? A. Issuing disability insurance policies directly to consumers. B. Providing guidelines for ethical sales practices and consumer protection. C. Setting premiums for all disability insurance policies in the state. D. Adjudicating individual disability insurance claims. Answer. B. Providing guidelines for ethical sales practices and consumer protection. Explanation. The New Mexico Insurance Department regulates insurance practices, ensuring compliance with ethical standards and consumer protection laws. Option A. Incorrect. The department does not sell insurance directly. Option B. Correct. The department ensures ethical practices and consumer protection. Option C. Incorrect. Premiums are determined by insurers based on actuarial data, not set by the department. Option D. Incorrect. Claims adjudication is managed by insurers, not the department. Relevant rule. The New Mexico Insurance Code outlines the department's regulatory responsibilities. Question 7. Market trends and consumer needs. Which trend in disability insurance is most likely to impact the New Mexico market in the next decade? A. Decreased consumer demand for individual disability policies. B. Increased use of technology in claims processing and policy management. C. Reduction in available riders for policy customization. D. Elimination of employer-sponsored group disability coverage. Answer. B. Increased use of technology in claims processing and policy management. Explanation. Advancements in technology, such as automated claims systems and digital policy management, are reshaping the disability insurance landscape, enhancing efficiency and customer experience. Option A. Incorrect. Demand for disability coverage is likely to remain stable or grow as awareness increases. Option B. Correct. Technology-driven solutions are an emerging trend in the industry. Option C. Incorrect. Insurers are expanding rider options to meet diverse consumer needs. Option D. Incorrect. Employer-sponsored coverage remains a vital component of the disability insurance market. Relevant rule. New Mexico insurers are required to modernize operations while complying with consumer protection laws. Question 8. Disability insurance elimination period. What is the primary purpose of the elimination period in a disability insurance policy? A. To allow the insured to determine if they need the coverage. B. To provide immediate benefits after a disability occurs. C. To serve as a waiting period before benefits begin. D. To waive premiums during periods of disability. Answer. C. To serve as a waiting period before benefits begin. Explanation. The elimination period is a predetermined waiting period between the onset of disability and the start of benefit payments, helping insurers reduce claims for short-term disabilities. Question 9. Pre-existing condition exclusion. Under New Mexico regulations, how long can a disability policy exclude coverage for pre-existing conditions? A. 3 months. B. 6 months. C. 12 months. D. 24 months. Answer. C. 12 months. Explanation. New Mexico insurance regulations typically limit pre-existing condition exclusions to 12 months. Insurers must disclose these exclusions clearly in the policy. Question 10. partial disability definition. Which scenario qualifies as partial disability under most policies? A. Total inability to perform any occupation. B. The ability to work part-time but with a reduced income. C. A temporary illness that does not impact income. D. A permanent disability requiring full-time care. Answer B. The ability to work part-time but with a reduced income. Explanation: partial disability benefits apply when an insured person can work but at a reduced capacity, leading to loss of income. Question 11. Own occupation coverage. Which of the following is a characteristic of own occupation disability coverage? A. Benefits stop if the insured can perform any job. B. Benefits continue if the insured cannot perform their specific job. C. Coverage applies only to high-risk occupations. D. Benefits are based solely on medical expenses incurred. Answer B. Benefits continue if the insured cannot perform their specific job. Explanation: own occupation coverage allows the insured to receive benefits if they cannot perform the duties of their specific job, even if they can work in another role. Question 12. Rehabilitation benefits. What is the primary purpose of rehabilitation benefits in a disability insurance policy? A. To pay for medical treatments related to the disability. B. To support the insured in returning to work through training or therapy. C. To provide income replacement during the elimination period. D. To increase the insured's policy benefits over time. Answer B. To support the insured in returning to work through training or therapy. Explanation: rehabilitation benefits aim to help insured individuals recover and return to gainful employment, often covering job training or therapy costs. Question 13. Social Security rider. What does a Social Security rider in a disability insurance policy provide? A. Reimbursement for Social Security contributions. B. An advance on benefits while waiting for SSDI approval. C. Full disability coverage independent of Social Security benefits. D. Coverage limited to Social Security approved disabilities. Answer B. An advance on benefits while waiting for SSDI approval. Explanation: a Social Security rider provides interim benefits to insured individuals while they await approval for Social Security disability insurance (SDIA). Question 14. Renewable policy types. Which type of disability insurance policy guarantees renewal without changes to terms as long as premiums are paid? A. Guaranteed renewable. B. Conditionally renewable. C. Non-cancelable. D. Term disability insurance. Answer A. Guaranteed renewable. Explanation: a guaranteed renewable policy ensures coverage continuation, although premiums may increase based on the insurer's decisions for an entire class of policies. Question 15. Benefit integration. Why might disability insurers offset benefits with payments from other sources such as workers' compensation? A. To limit their financial exposure. B. To comply with federal law. C. To increase the insured's total benefits. D. To simplify the claims process. Answer A. To limit their financial exposure. Explanation: offset provisions prevent the insured from receiving excess compensation by integrating benefits from multiple sources. Question 16. Non-cancelable policy benefits. What is the primary advantage of a non-cancelable disability insurance policy? A. The policyholder can modify terms at any time. B. Premiums and policy terms cannot change as long as premiums are paid. C. It provides coverage only for short-term disabilities. D. The policy automatically adjusts for inflation. Answer B. Premiums and policy terms cannot change as long as premiums are paid. Explanation: non-cancelable policies lock in the terms and premiums, offering stability to the policyholder. Question 17. Total disability criteria. Under standard policy, which situation is most likely to meet the definition of total disability? A. A temporary inability to perform household chores. B. Permanent loss of the ability to work in any capacity. C. An illness causing missed work for 1 week. D. A part-time work schedule with reduced income. Answer B. Permanent loss of the ability to work in any capacity. Explanation: total disability typically involves a complete inability to work in any role due to injury or illness. Question 18. Group disability coverage was a common feature of employer-sponsored group disability insurance. A. Portability of coverage if the employee leaves the company. B. Low premiums compared to individual policies. C. Automatic inclusion of all employees regardless of health. D. Coverage is guaranteed for high-risk occupations. Answer B. Low premiums compared to individual policies. Explanation: group policies benefit from economies of scale, leading to lower premiums than individual coverage. Question 19. Premium waiver rider. What does a waiver of premium rider provide to the insured? A. Increased benefits after a claim is approved. B. Refund of premiums paid prior to disability. C. Elimination of premium payments during disability. D. Reduced premiums for the duration of the policy. Answer: C. Elimination of premium payments during disability. Explanation: this rider removes the burden of premium payments when the insured is disabled and receiving benefits. Question 20. Residual disability example: Sarah, a dentist, is injured and can only work part-time, earning 50% of her pre-disability income. Her policy includes a residual disability benefit. How will her benefits be calculated? A. She will receive no benefits since she is still working. B. She will receive a percentage of her benefits proportional to her income loss. C. She will receive full benefits until she recovers. D. She will only be reimbursed for medical expenses. Answer: B. She will receive a percentage of her benefits proportional to her income loss. Explanation: residual disability benefits compensate for lost income based on the proportion of pre-disability income reduction. Question 21. Disability insurance taxation. Under what circumstances are disability insurance benefits taxable? A. If the premiums were paid entirely by the insured with after-tax dollars. B. If the employer paid the premiums and deducted them as a business expense. C. If the benefits exceed the insured's regular salary. D. If the policy was purchased individually without any employer contributions. Answer: B. If the employer paid the premiums and deducted them as a business expense. Explanation: benefits are taxable when premiums are paid by the employer and deducted as a business expense, since this creates taxable income for the insured. Question 22. Long-term disability duration. What is the typical benefit duration for a long-term disability insurance policy? A. 6 months. B. 2 years. C. Until age 65 or retirement. D. Lifetime coverage. Answer: C. Until age 65 or retirement. Explanation: long-term disability policies commonly provide benefits until the insured reaches retirement age, often age 65, though some policies may offer extended or lifetime coverage. Question 23. Presumptive disability clause. Which of the following conditions is most likely covered under a presumptive disability clause? A. Temporary hearing loss. B. Loss of a single finger. C. Total and permanent blindness. D. Minor back pain. Answer: C. Total and permanent blindness. Explanation: presumptive disability clauses automatically qualify certain severe conditions like permanent blindness or loss of multiple limbs as total disabilities. Question 24. Guaranteed insurability rider. What is the purpose of a guaranteed insurability rider in a disability policy? A. To increase benefits without proof of insurability. B. To waive premiums during periods of disability. C. To lock in the premium rate for the policy's duration. D. To ensure coverage for pre-existing conditions. Answer A. To increase benefits without proof of insurability. Explanation: this rider allows the insured to purchase additional coverage at specified times without undergoing a new medical exam. Question 25. Cost of living adjustment, COLA rider. What does a COLA rider in a disability insurance policy provide? A. Increased coverage for inflation-related income changes. B. Lower premiums over time as the policyholder ages. C. Additional benefits for temporary disabilities. D. Automatic policy renewal without premium adjustments. Answer A. Increased coverage for inflation-related income changes. Explanation: the COLA rider ensures that disability benefits keep pace with inflation by periodically increasing the benefit amount. Question 26. Key person disability insurance. What is the primary purpose of key person disability insurance? A. To cover an employee's medical expenses during a disability. B. To compensate a business for lost income due to a key employee's disability. C. To provide income replacement for the key employee. D. To pay for workplace accommodations for the disabled employee. Answer B. To compensate a business for lost income due to a key employee's disability. Explanation: key person disability insurance helps businesses cover financial losses when a vital employee becomes disabled and unable to perform their role. Question 27. Own occupation versus any occupation. What is the main difference between Moan occupation and any occupation disability policies. A. Moan occupation covers any job, while any occupation is job-specific. B. Moan occupation requires total disability, while any occupation allows partial claims. C. Moan occupation pays if the insured cannot perform their specific job, while any occupation pays only if they cannot work in any capacity. D. Moan occupation is temporary coverage, while any occupation is long-term. Answer C. Moan occupation pays if the insured cannot perform their specific job, while any occupation pays only if they cannot work in any capacity. Explanation: Moan occupation provides benefits if the insured cannot do their specific job, while any occupation requires total incapacity to perform any job. Question 20. Short-term disability waiting period. What is the typical waiting period for short-term disability insurance policies? A. 1 day. B. 714 days. C. 3060 days. D. 90 days or more. Answer: B. 714 days. Explanation: short-term disability policies often include a waiting period of 1 to 2 weeks before benefits begin, reducing claims for very brief disabilities. Question 29. Exclusions in disability insurance. Which of the following is commonly excluded from coverage in a disability insurance policy? A. Disabilities caused by pre-existing conditions. B. Disabilities resulting from workplace accidents. C. Disabilities caused by illegal activities. D. Disabilities that occur during travel. Answer: C. Disabilities caused by illegal activities. Explanation: most disability policies exclude coverage for disabilities resulting from criminal acts or illegal activities. Question 30. Disability policy portability. What does it mean for a disability insurance policy to be portable? A. It includes coverage for foreign travel. B. The policy remains effective even if the insured changes employers. C. Benefits can be transferred to another person. D. The policy automatically renews each year. Answer: B. The policy remains effective even if the insured changes employers. Explanation: portability allows the insured to retain their policy and coverage when they leave their current employer.